Hey everyone, Mike Lovelace with Carolina Blue Smoke Barbecue. And back there are some armadillo eggs. We're trying them with sausage today. Gonna put them on the RT700 for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Hope that bacon crisp up. Hang out with us. Please like, subscribe to our channel. Let's try these on the RT700. Thank you. All right, these are ingredients for the armadillo eggs. We're gonna have some breakfast sausage, Philadelphia cream cheese, jalapenos, some Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce, or your favorite barbecue sauce, some bacon, and some Killer Hogs hot barbecue rub, or you can use whatever your favorite kind of rub is. All right, we're gonna start out with our cream cheese. You're gonna take your favorite rubs and pour it all over your cream cheese. This cream cheese has been sitting out for about an hour, hour and a half. So it was nice and soft. If it's not soft for you, you can put it in the microwave for a few seconds, soften it up, take your fork, stir all this up, make it really good and mixed up well. And then we're gonna put this stuff in a plastic bag, and that way we can fill these jalapeno peppers. Now it's time to prep these jalapeno peppers. You're just gonna cut the tips off of them, and then I take just a spoon and use the opposite end of it and just work it around the inside of it, scrape it out, get all the all the insides out. If you want it hotter, leave the veins in, leave the seeds in, but I try to get some of this out because it'd be too hot. Also, I take it and then rinse it underneath the water to get all the seeds out. Now it's time to take this baggie with the cream cheese in it, cut that tip off so that you can squeeze the cream cheese and mixture into the jalapenos. We're going to fill these things full. Take a spoon and kind of just pack it down in or cap them off, and you just do this same process for all 4 of them, or ever how many you're going to do. I did 4 this day, and I'm glad I did do just 4 because I about ran out of bacon. But again, you just do this for every one of them. Really simple process. You can just spoon this stuff in here as well, but it's less messy if you use a baggie. Now it's time to put the jalapenos inside the sausage. You can do this a couple different ways. I tried out first putting it on the board, and I probably should have put wax paper underneath it, but I didn't. And then you just roll up the sausage around the jalapeno. You want to barely cover the jalapeno with the sausage. The end that is open, you want to make sure there's a little bit extra sausage on that end, and there's no holes because it will ooze out while it's cooking. That happened to me, but it wasn't too bad. Right here, you'll find out I just eventually, after about the second one, I went ahead and just put a handful of sausage and patted it out, kind of made it thin, and then just stick the jalapeno straight inside of it, and then curved it around and enclosed it. You also want to make, these are called armadillo eggs. These are great for tailgate parties. You'd want to prep all these in advance, but you can kind of make them look like a football or like an egg. These kind of look like in between, and you can do these with barbecue sauce or without barbecue sauce at the very end, but I'm telling you, these things are awesome. Time to wrap these armadillo eggs. Take a piece of bacon. I do not buy thick cut, just regular centered cut bacon. Thick cut makes it a little bit harder to get done and to be taut at the end. I just use regular cut bacon, not thick cut. But then you can cut off a piece, put on one end, cut off another piece, put on the other end, and then wrap. Take usually about 3 pieces of bacon to wrap it, 2 to 3 pieces, depends on how big your armadillo eggs are. I did find out later on that it was probably just as easy to take one whole piece, wrap it long ways all the way around, and then turn around and wrap it versus cutting it up. But anyway you can do it, you just need to wrap the armadillo eggs with the bacon. Try to cover as much as possible. If there's a little bit showing, it's okay. It doesn't matter. It's going to cook. It's going to be great anyway. Time to put your favorite rub on these. We'll use, again, Killer Hogs hot rub here. Just sprinkle them all over the armadillo eggs. They'll stick really well to the bacon. And then we'll turn these upside down, get the underneath side of them as well, and then finish them off with one more layer on the very top at the end. We have the RT700, the RecTeq, preheated to 250. We're going to run these for 45 minutes at 250. and then bump it up to 275 for an additional 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, these things are looking awesome. We're getting ready to bump that temperature up to 275 for additional 45 minutes. So it'll be an hour and a half total. Then we'll take a look at them again, make an adjustment. This is what they look like after an hour and a half. That was 45 minutes at 250, another 45 minutes at 275. We're going to go ahead and bump the temperature up to 400. And then we come back and look at them in 15 minutes. They look great at that point. And then we'll cut the heat off of the RecTeq and put some barbecue sauce on them and just let them ride for about 15 minutes. It is time to paint these with your favorite barbecue sauce. Again, I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's because it was around, we had it. But again, whatever your favorite barbecue sauce is, you don't have to put barbecue sauce on these if you don't like barbecue sauce. Some people don't like it. This situation, these were just for me, so I went ahead and caked them with some barbecue sauce. At this point too, I cut, the RecTeq had gotten up to about $3.95. I went ahead and just cut it off shortly after I put this barbecue sauce off and then I just let it ride for about 10 minutes and then come back and they're done. 10 minutes later, and man, these things look beautiful. And we're getting ready to take them inside, let them sit for a little bit, cut them open, and try them out. All right, let's cut one of these bad boys up. You see that smoke ring? They have a great smell to them. And let's cut this one right here, right down the middle. All right, guys. We're going to try these smoked bacon wrapped armadillo eggs with sausage, Malcolm Reed's seasoning and cream cheese on the middle, jalapeno, and Sweet Baby Ray on the outside. Let's try this bad boy. Oh my goodness, that's good. That is incredible. You got to try this one out. Definitely an awesome bite. That bacon is smoked on the outside. Killer smoke ring. Sausage is hot sausage to start with. And that jalapeno and cream cheese in the middle. Malcolm Reed's. Woo! Lord have mercy. Thank you guys for checking this out. Definitely try this bacon wrapped armadillo eggs. Use whatever favorite seasoning you like. We tried the Malcolm Reed hot. It's darn good. But thank you guys. Please like and subscribe.